On a rather different way now, a rather unusual car has been causing quite a stir around Caernarfon in North Wales. Skippy, as it's affectionately known, has a road licence just like any other vehicle and raises thousands of pounds for local charities. But skip hire boss Elfyn Ley and businessman Barry Owen freely admit that their invention is basically just a load of old rubbish.
It's absolutely fantastic. The road holding, it's like cornering on rails. It just, you know, it's better than a lot of cars. It's every family's dream car. It's a people carrier because it carries 8 people. It's an open top like a sports car. It's faster than the Ford and pulls better than the Ferrari, and a big boot.
And cause a stir she does wherever she goes. Apart from the obvious differences, Skippy is taxed and insured like any car. The owners have no plans to rescue other skips from a life on the scrap heap, but this one has already helped to raise thousands of pounds towards children's charities.
I think it's a bit crazy, but it's a bit of good fun though. Yeah, I'm amazed that it can be allowed on the roads, but it's brilliant.
Could we ever go in it, Ellie?
I would like to.
Oh, Ellen would like to. Yes, it's great fun.
While some of my colleagues may have suggested that my driving is a load of old rubbish, I really hope that this isn't going to be my new company car. Janette Clucas for BBC Wales Today, behind the controls of a skip.